mangrove swamps are crucial ecosystems that are important to the world. This is Aliyah Janelle Malalad, a grade 6 student of Camarin Elementary School, City of Caloocan. And today we're learning about the importance of tropical rainforests, mangrove swamps, and coral reefs. Tropical rainforests are often called the lungs of the planet for their role in absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and increasing local humidity. Coral reefs. Coral ecosystems are a source of food for millions, protect coastline from storm and erosion, provide habitat, spawning, and nursery grounds for economically important fish species, provide jobs and income to local economics from fishing, recreation, and tourism. Mangrove swamps. Mangroves are the first line of defense for coastal communities. They stabilize shorelines by slowing erosion and provide natural barriers, protecting coastal communities from increased storm surge, flooding, and hurricane. It also provides essential habitat for thousands of species. Without mangrove, red tide, algae blooms in the water. These ecosystems sustain life diversity and biodiversity while also safeguarding the coastline and supporting the livelihood of the local population. I therefore conclude that protecting and conserving tropical rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps is essential for biodiversity, climate regulation, economic stability, and the well-being of both local communities and global population. This ecosystem provides invaluable service and resources that must be reserved for future generations. As a young individual, I can protect the ecosystem by reducing waste, sustainable fishing, and conserving coastal and forest areas. Avoid touching and collecting coral reefs, planting trees, stop dumping of garbage into the sea and on land. Stop creating land ideal for coastal development to maintain the mangrove. Stop the illegal dynamite fishing. Again, this is Aliyah Janelle P. Malalad. Happy learning!